Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a factory reset on your Kemper Profiler amp. Maybe you're experiencing issues, want to start fresh, or just feel like clearing things out. A factory reset surely can help. So let's get started. Alright. Before we dive into the reset process, make sure you back up any important presets or profiles you want to keep, as a factory reset will erase everything. First, make sure your Kemper Profiler amp is turned on and is connected to your computer. Next, we want to export our profiles to our computer. The easiest way you can do this is to use the Rig Manager software. Simply connect your Kemper to your computer, open the Rig Manager and select all the profiles you want to back up. Next, right-click your mouse and choose Export. Once you click Export, select the folder or place on your computer where you want to restore them. From there you can choose to store them on any place or device you want. Alright, let's move on to the actual factory reset. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go to System and press the button. Next, head down to where it says Factory Reset and push the button 2 seconds. Then the Kemper asks if you want to erase everything. Press yes. And then you have to push 2 buttons at the same time for 5 seconds to confirm the factory reset. Now the Kemper Profiler will perform the factory reset and will reboot itself when it's done. In this process you only have to wait, as it can take a while to complete. Once the reboot is done, the only thing you have to do is to set the date and hour correct. And if you want, you can also put your name for the profiles in, but this can be done at a later time in the Rig Manager software, which is also a lot easier. Alright, so after you did the factory reset on your Kemper Profiler, now it's time to head back to the Rig Manager. So fire it up. And then the only thing you have to do is create your folder, name it favorite profiles or whatever you want. So select all your profiles you backed up, press open, and now they're in the folder. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any more questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching and happy profiling.